Get ready to relive your 90s boho dreams because Old Navy has just dropped its first ever designer collaboration, and it's a game changer. Teaming up with the iconic Anna Sui, this collection is a vibrant explosion of bold florals, rich textures, and romantic hues that scream late autumn and early winter vibes. But here's where it gets exciting. These pieces aren't just about nostalgia, they're designed to make you feel like the best version of yourself, with a modern twist. Available now on their site and in select stores, this limited edition line is already flying off the shelves. So, if you're not quick, you might miss out. And this is the part most people miss. Anna Sui herself shared, "I design for women who want to be themselves and have fun with fashion." But does this collaboration truly deliver on that promise? Let's dive into our top picks and find out. 1. Denim chore jacket. This oversized staple is anything but basic. With applique pockets, hidden floral details, and contrasting stitching, it's a statement piece that's both functional and fashionable. But is it worth the hype? You decide. 2. Square scarf. This multi-floral accessory is the Swiss Army knife of fall fashion. Wear it as a headband, tie it around your neck, or add a pop of color to your tote. Versatility at its finest, or just another scarf? Let us know in the comments. 3. Tiered midi skirt. Midi skirts often get overlooked, but this floral tiered option in black and white or deep purple might just change your mind. Dress it up or down, it's a closet chameleon. But is it too much for everyday wear? Weigh in below. 4. Lace applique top. This tie-front peasant top with elasticized blouson sleeves is the epitome of flirty femininity. Available in 3 colors, it's a must-have, but is it too frilly for some? Share your thoughts. 5. Chiffon tiered ruffle mini dress. With its ruffled neckline, velvet tie, and flowy sleeves, this dress is a head-turner. Pair it with tall boots for a look that's both bold and romantic. But is it too much for a casual outing? You tell us. 6. Tote bag. Made from sturdy canvas or denim and complete with a bag charm, this tote is both practical and chic. But with 4 designs to choose from, which one would you pick? Or is it just another bag? 7. Slim boot cut jeans. These mid-rise jeans combine classic style with a fun floral pattern. But are they too bold for your denim drawer? Let's debate. 8. Vegan suede seamed mini skirt. Suede is having a moment, and this A-line mini skirt nails it with unique seamed detailing. But is vegan suede a trend that's here to stay? Sound off below. 9. Ruffle cardigan sweater. This wool blend cardigan with ruffle detailing is ultra feminine. But is it too much ruffles for everyday wear? We want to hear your take. 10. Floral denim chore jacket. The floral version of the denim jacket stands out with brown buttons and roomy pockets. But is it too bold for your wardrobe? Share your opinion. 11. Ringer tee. This classic baby tee is a budget-friendly way to snag a piece of the collection. But with 4 colors and unique designs, which one speaks to you? Or is it just another tee? Controversial question. While Anna Sui's vision is to empower women to have fun with fashion, does this collaboration truly cater to all styles and body types? Or is it just another trendy collection that misses the mark for some? Let us know in the comments, we're all ears. How we choose, at Insider Shop, our editors and writers scour the internet, interview experts, and rely on personal experiences to bring you the best products. Our content is independently created to inform and inspire, but we want to hear from you. What do you think of this collaboration? Love it or leave it?